What's going on, boys? You got a family dinner coming up, and you know they're gonna ask you how your little music's going. Last time you showed your grandma your little baby type beat, and she was kind of hating. Your grandpa's kind of sneak dissing too, saying like, "What is this music these days?" So I'm gonna show you how to flex on him. I'm just gonna make this note slide, take those and paste it, and then I'm gonna take this. Real quick, I just want to say my VK1 preset bank dropped, so if you guys want to help support the channel, go check that out. You're gonna need this kit, so make sure to go get that. And if you don't have the shekels right now, it's all good. Don't worry about it. You can just copy the preset from the video, and it's all good. I won't be mad. I'm gonna take everything. I'm gonna try pitching it up by 2. I'm gonna add this meow synth, and I'm just gonna copy that and put it here. I'm gonna take this meow synth again, and I'm gonna use this one as a bass.
Drums.
I'm just gonna go to my Evolve kit, and I'm gonna grab this loop master here. I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna turn off the auto gain, and I'm just gonna listen to where it set the ratio. For these kind of beats, you just want everything to like bounce off each other, so like everything kind of has like its own kind of bounce going on, so you can kind of like pick what you want to listen to. That's why I love this shit. But now I'm gonna arrange everything. I hope your family dinner goes well and you can stunt on your grandparents. If you guys like the video, leave a like, hit the sub button. 1K kit coming soon. It's gonna be free, by the way. If you want to help support the channel, go get my VK1 bank. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Follow me on Instagram at ProdMaze. Follow underdogs.oo and join our Discord. If you're a graphics designer, we need you. You made it to the end of the video. Comment down below. Bird is the word, and I'll see you guys in the next one.